Alright guys, 3K giveaway is here. So shout out to Team Scoundrel and DreamTank Dope Soaps for joining in with the giveaway, giving away a shirt. You can find it at teamscoundrels.com. You can find their merch, stickers, other stuff. Hit them up on their Facebook and Instagram. Drift stuff, it's always great. Also DreamTank, they're going to throw in and donate 2 soaps for the winner. You can pick your fragrance. Check them out, DreamTank.life. You can save money on DreamTank.life by putting in WOT at checkout, saving an additional 20%. So we're going to give all this away. Some of my favorite cars, a drift car and a Civic hatchback. You'll get a shirt in your size. Each of those you'll get in your size. You get to pick your things. $30 from Amazon. Some cool stickers. So this is just to share with you and show my appreciation for all those who are subscribed. You have to go follow them on Instagram and their Facebook, and you gotta like both of those. You gotta follow them on Instagram as well, and go check out their website, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel Wide Open Throttle Garage, and like us on Instagram, and you'll be entered to win this giveaway. Guys, I'll start recognizing those that support me. Shout out to these guys, my latest subscribers for this week. Alright guys, it's been a minute. You know the situation from the last video. Hopefully you checked that out. Got my beard growing. Getting ready for your Halloween. It's the longest it's ever been. Definitely need a haircut. Wild caveman look going on here. So I want to give you an overview of all the vehicles. What's going on? There's a lot of things you saw happen and you don't know where things are now. With the CRV, the EF sedan $500 turbo car challenge, the S2000, the Volkswagen, the Mustang. So let me kind of give you an update and go from there. So if you guys don't know, I do have an Instagram, WOT Garage, and you can see a lot of this stuff on there if I do get to work on them. But here's all the vehicles. They all do run now. So yes, the CRV does run and drive. It's still tuned by PFI with the 1000cc injector, 3582 setup. Has a meticulous log form manifold, stuff like that. It does run and drive now. And yeah, I blew the head gasket on it. I knew that was happening because it was already going out on the original block. So I finished blowing that out until it sprays coolant under high pressure. But that is the issue with that. It needs head gasket. But driving around town and still drive it. Still has an up pipe. I haven't done exhaust on it. Stuff like that. So she starts. It is alive. It definitely doesn't have coolant in it. And my motor mounts are still shot. And I don't have a wideband in it yet. So the CRV is definitely there. Still runs and drives. I take the hood off, rip it around. It's back. It's alive. It's good to go. If you really want to buy it, you can buy it. Then there's the old Mustang. I think we decided we're going to go drift stang, convertible, Fox body. It was the LX converted to a GT underneath and rear end and stuff like that. With the V8 302 in it. I got heads for it, some performance stuff like that for it. We're going to fix it up, soup it up, coil over it on the front, angle kit from Wise Fox, stuff like that. Here's the S2000. It's a little different state from when you originally saw it. It is there. It kind of has everything on. The front fender's still messed up. The rear quarter is still messed up. Back here, but it runs and drives, and I think the battery's in it right now because I was driving it the other day. Again, if you see my Instagram, you'd have seen that I was driving it around town, ripping it. If you want to buy it, it is for sale. I have a lot of stuff for it. I have a whole nother body, stuff like that. EF sedan. So I definitely that is still my exhaust, the turbo, and it just hangs out outside. Has a bad seal. They were supposed to send me a new one, then they were trying to make me pay all the shipping. But as much as me buying the new turbo, cheapest turbo on eBay, so I slapped my intake on it and use that as my exhaust. It's still loud and it whistles. There's no boost because I took the Honda back out of there, put it back in the CRV so I can run and drive that. So this is just factory. Actually, it's a chipped P28 OBD1 because I did the OBD1 swap. So I want to get a turbo tune chip for this turbo, and then maybe I'll put some rigged piping straight in without an intercooler and just send it old school ways. Go PVC out and around and just make it go into the. So just want to give you an update. There's the cars. They're all there. They run and drive. They do some fun stuff. Whistly spool boy noises. Hit 9K red lines. And rides around rough like a race car. But it's all there. And then we were ripping in the field with my brother. Insert clip now. Isn't it awesome? The drift stang. The drift stang. Yeah, we were ripping it, having fun. The old Mustang the other night. Decided to get it out and do some stuff with it. Here's old. I don't know what to call it. I call it like my panda wagon because it's black and white. It's sweet. So if you remember, I traded a subscriber for this car from the CRX and stuff. He needed the body panels off of it for this Accord 91 Accord wagon factory manual. Still has AC power steering, everything in there. Interior is like mint. Dash is perfect. Has the back cover. Has a funny back body kit. The rear bumper's kind of cracked. Has some plastic dip on it. I put some subs in it. So I've been rocking this thing for a while. Runs and drives good. I'm going to switch this over to my more daily comfortable driver for all my kids and my family. So it is alive and it runs and drives. Okay guys, there's going to be a big difference from this one and last winter. It's going to be the garage. This may not mean anything to you, but this means everything to me. Hear how quiet it is? Finally, after months of waiting, we have power in the house. Look at that. It glows. Because it's on. Because there's power in the house. My makeshift doors right now. The wind's been kicking my butt. I got my garage lights laid out. I have some really big shop lights going in here. LEDs. Hopefully by the end of November, I will have it insulated and drywalled and have my actual garage doors up and all attached and all my lights on. So I'll have an insulated garage to work on vehicles like this. Which if you watched the last video, you know some things turned up missing. So I'm trying to figure out what to do with this car to finish it for my mom. It might be one of those. It might take a lot longer because I have to find parts. But if you have a 71 Super Beetle, rear back seat frames, and seat frames and all the spring stuff and all that stuff, that'd be awesome. Also the rear trunk cover for the engine. So again, 71 Super Beetle rear trunk. And I'll just have to order another carpet kit because I don't, it's gone. So that's the goals for this. The whippity wind of the west is not being my friend. Sorry for the back noises of things flapping and snapping and cracking. But here's an update. Just want to give everyone an update. The cars are alive. I have worked on stuff. I have fixed stuff. I do drive stuff. I just haven't filmed much. I have super scheduled my life on when I can spend time with my family and do work and then work on the house days. You know, take care of my other youth and different responsibilities I have in the community. Take care of my customers. Take care of businesses. There's a lot. I do a lot of stuff. I have a lot of things I schedule out every week. And I would like to get back in to not neglect YouTube and try to put up a video every week if I can. If not, hope you understand, every other week or something. So I'm going to try to schedule a couple hours every week now to at least try to film and work on stuff. So the real question is, what do you want me to work on, or what do you want to see, or what do you want to have happen? A lot of these cars I do need to sell, help finish house stuff, and I have some projects I can finish, and I still have a lot of customer stuff. So let me know in the comments below what you want to see happening. I really want to do like the S2000. I just need to sell it. I'll probably sell the CRV. If you want all of the computers and the injectors and all the high dollar stuff, I can sell it all in a package. It does run and drive with a bad head gasket, but I have ARP head studs that are not on it yet. I have a new head gasket. I have plenty of parts for it, extra stuff as well. So I gotta sell that. I really like the Accord wagon. I think I want to hold on to that. My wife actually likes it, which is awesome because she doesn't like most of my cars. And it's a really comfortable car, easy to drive, and it's just comfortable. It's big and it has room for the family. So I think the EO sedan almost needs to be sold. Stuff like that. So they are up for sale. If you want to buy them, hit me a price. There's plenty of videos of back information on these cars. I can answer any questions you want. But I kind of got to downsize, keep working on the house, put the money towards the house, and then come back next year with another future, some future projects, restart, revamp, and regroup from this house build and all the shenanigans that's happened over the last year and a half. From selling shop, moving shop, contractors dipping, you name it, it's happened. So it's been a heck of a year. So I'm glad you come along with me. We've had some fun stuff. I've got to meet a lot of cool people through YouTube. It's been an awesome experience. I want to continue that. I want to make it better. I want to improve myself, make better content, because sometimes content sucks, and that's just life. I'm not I just wing it and try to figure it out, and I've had a few years now to figure it out, and I want to try to make more and better and do more stuff for you guys. So make sure you like, subscribe, Comment below what you want to see, what should happen, if you want to buy a car, if you just want to say, hey, you're glad to see me since it's been a while, whatever. So, let me know. Alright guys, till next time.